Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Tech channel and welcome back to this video. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing Chromebook for as some people say, and I will be giving you all the details and my opinion about it. So stay tuned to see all the review about it. As you know, Chromebook is one of the cheapest devices in the world. It's a mobile, but in a laptop. It comes the CPU of it MT 8001 803 2 gigahertz. The RAM is 4 gigabyte. The storage is 64 gigabyte eMMC. The display 14-inch Full HD TN, and if you don't know what TN is, I have also a video made it about that in the past, so I will put the link for it in the description. The battery is a 3-cell, and of course the OS is a Chrome OS. The power that comes with it is Type-C, and as you see here from the bottom, there's these rubbers, foot rubbers, as I name it. I really don't like the plastic one, but as you see the design of it, it's as a normal or as a usual from Lenovo. They are making them as a, as a Mac. Of course, especially also now Mac has, or Apple has now 14-inch. The display, it's 14-inch as I said before, and of course it comes with a built-in camera. This is the sticker here on the camera. You need to take it off if you wanna see really the camera, if you wanna make a video call. The speakers is not wide, and of course it's sitting on the edge of the laptop. That bad, it's not really very good, but it's usable. It's usable. You are not paying like 500 euro or 600 euro for this display, for this device. As you see here, it comes with USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and also a memory card, and also a headphone jack. As you see here, also from the other side, it's just to lock the laptop. It also comes with the Lenovo logo and the edge and the front. Let's be honest, the display it's not very bright if you are going to sit outside. If you are sitting inside, it's okay, but it's also with all TN display you have really a problem with the corner or which angle actually you are try to look on the screen. So you need to really adjust it very good before you start seeing all the screen, and that's very annoying. But the most company also use this technology. So now after you charge it, input the username and password of the Wi-Fi. This is what you get if you don't log in with the Google account. This is also the display and the sound of it. X1 AirPods. This AirPods comes with a lot and bunch of functions. I will be doing today unboxing and review for it. Video, by the way, is sponsored by Helio. So I will start with, of course, the function. Opinion about it after almost a month. If you log in, of course, with your account, you will get the full features of this Chromebook. You have a separated YouTube, you have of course Chrome browser, you have also many apps. You can install any Android app on it, no problem with that at all. It's good for some people who really just working with administration work, or maybe for your children if they just wanna watch YouTube or do some sort of maybe playing games on it or something, like very little, you know what I mean. It's not very, you cannot actually do a lot of work with this kind of laptops. At the end it's just maybe for some people who want to study online and they just want a big screen, so this is what they get. If you really looking for a better things, or you really have more work to do with any laptop, so it's better for you to look for another solution or another company. And of course, you need to avoid Chrome OS or Chrome OS. It's not very handy. Of course, because you cannot install any program like Adobe or anything else. It's a mobile in or on a laptop. That's it. This is the end word for me. I hope this review was useful. Please, if it wasn't like that, give me a like, share, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video on this channel, and go back and see all the previous videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.